Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something exciting for all the tech enthusiasts out there. We'll be discussing the top 5 laptops that you can get for under 1 lakh rupees. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Our first pick is the Acer Predator Helios 300, packed with a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. This laptop is a gaming beast, with a 15.6-inch Full HD display and a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. You can experience smooth gaming and crisp visuals. The Helios 300 also offers ample storage, with a 512GB SSD. Moving on to our second laptop. We have the Dell XPS 15, with its stunning 15.6-inch Infinity Edge 4K OLED display. This laptop is perfect for multimedia consumption and editing tasks. It features an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD for fast and smooth performance. The XPS 15 also offers a premium build quality and an excellent battery life, making it an ideal choice for professionals on the go. Our third pick is the HP Envy 15, equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD. This laptop delivers exceptional performance for both work and play. The Envy 15 boasts a 15.6-inch 4K UHD display with touch support, providing stunning visuals and an immersive user experience. It also features NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660Ti graphics card, making it suitable for light gaming and creative tasks. Next up, we have the Lenovo Legion 5. This gaming laptop comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD for blazing fast performance. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, ensuring smooth gameplay. The Legion 5 also includes NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650Ti graphics card, allowing you to enjoy the latest games with impressive visuals and frame rates. Last but not least, we have the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. With its compact and lightweight design, this laptop is perfect for those who need power on the go. It features an AMD Ryzen 9 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD, offering top-notch performance. The Zephyrus G14 sports a 14-inch Full HD display with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals. Additionally, it comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, making it suitable for gaming and content creation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy computing.